Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to change the Google Assistant language in 2025. If you've ever found yourself wanting to switch your Google Assistant to a different language for better understanding or just for fun, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your device is updated to the latest software. Google often rolls out updates that might affect settings. Open up the Google Assistant app on your phone or access it through your Google Home settings if you're on a smart device. Once you're in, look for the profile icon or the settings gear. It's usually in the top corner. Now, tap on Settings and navigate to the Preferences or Assistant Language section. This might vary slightly depending on your device, but in 2025, Google has made it even more user-friendly. You'll see a list of available languages, everything from English and Spanish to Mandarin and French. Select the language you want by tapping on it. Don't worry, you can always change it back later. After selecting your new language, the assistant might ask you to confirm the change. Go ahead and hit OK or Confirm. Give it a second to apply the settings. Your assistant will restart or refresh automatically. To test it out, just say, "Hey Google," and ask a simple question. You'll hear the response in your chosen language. One quick tip. If you're using Google Assistant on multiple devices, like your phone and smart speaker, you might need to repeat this process for each one to keep things consistent. Also, remember that some features might not be available in every language, so double-check that in the settings. There you have it. That's how you change the Google Assistant language in 2025. It's a simple way to personalize your experience and make tech more accessible. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.